This video explains the CINENORM series monitor wired control Panasonic GH7 camera tutorial. Connect one end of the control cable to the Type-C port of the camera and the other end to the remote port of the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu. Tap the external device connection icon, tap Wired, tap Connect. Once connected, the camera will display a USB mode window. Select PC Tether. Once the monitor detects the camera, the pairing is complete. Tap Rec to turn camera recordings on or off. Switch to the photo position and click the photo button to take a picture. Tap Iris to control the aperture. Tap Shutter to change the camera shutter speed. Tap ISO to adjust the ISO. Click Focus to adjust the focus point by pressing the button. Tap WB to change the white balance mode. When white balance is set to color temperature mode, tap CT to adjust the color temperature. That's all for the CINENORM series monitor wired control Panasonic 7 camera tutorial.